Log into your IKEA credit card account online. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily log into your IKEA credit card account online. So first just search in for IKEA credit card account just like this on the favorite browser and just click on this first link over here, and once you click on it, you will be heading over to this page where you'll have to choose between the project credit card or your credit card. So just choose Visa credit card. So choose between any one of them, and so once inside here, the language seems a little bit off. So just click on this blue button over here. So it is basically your username and your password. If you are not facing this kind of issue, it's okay. But if you are facing this language issue, you can always try your Google Translate button over here by simply searching for Google Translate website and clicking on this option over here and changing the options to Google Translate website by simply tapping on this website and pasting this website right over here. So you can always do that in case of your language glitch. So once you're inside here, basically you have to enter your username and your password and click on this remember me button over here and just click on sign in. If you have forgotten your password, then you can just tap on this forget button. It will be shown over here, and to enter your reset your forgotten password, you can just click on this. So once you have successfully written your login credentials correctly, you can just click on sign in button and you shall be successfully signed into your account. So that's it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.